Nicely played. Sachin is off the mark. The run away to the boundary. Well, tremendous shot there. That's gone and dropped. It was hit very hard by Virender Sehwag. Dropped by the fielder. India 10 without a wicket. Spit away. Caught that off a no ball. Too quick. It's gone, and yes, 6. Top edge was good enough for that one to go over the boundary road. Runs flowing from the bat off both these batsmen now. Square driven. 4 more. Oh, that's a great shot. That is a lovely shot through the offside. A little punch.
And the runs keep flowing for India. Pretty well timed by Tendulkar. Beautifully timed, in fact. Now it's beautifully played. Tendulkar hitting that one on the right. Oh, that's a terrific shot.
And he's gone again. A magnificent shot. Another no ball. And what a shot. The timing has been...
There he goes. No ball again. And that will run away for 4. He didn't get all of it, but enough.
Another no ball, and he's just slogged it. But would you call that a straight pull? Probably.
I can't think of a better way of describing it. A straight pull.
To put enough balls in this over.
That's gone away for 4 as well. That's just sheer power. And a great deal of timing. You heard Ian Chappell talking about how... That's his 50. What an entertaining innings it's been. There have been 1 or 2 prime misses, but there have been some awesome strokes as well. 103 for 1. Oh, has he hammered that or what? My goodness me. For me, the shot of the morning. Oh. Has that gone all the way? Yes, it has. Off the mark for Ganguly. So's this fella. Sorry, what a good shot. 4, the fine legs up in a catching position.
13 boundaries to him. Well, just make that 14. Oh, it's been a wonderful script. A lot of people talk about Tendulkar, they talk about Dravid, they talk about Laxman, they forget this guy.
Oh, where's that gone? Miles! It's the longest part of the ground, that corner. Bowling, clever bowling. You said poor old Enziman, what about him? He's gone all round the park and he's got his own bat. Disguised slower ball, well disguised and full. Congratulations. Excellent bowling.
It's put away very nicely. That'll run away to the boundary. It's a very, very... edge, and that'll run away to the boundary. This outfield is lightning quick. That's a lovely on drive. That's his speciality.
Oh, what a beautiful shot. I was going to say it's whipped over mid-wicket. It'll run away for 4. That's a good strike down the ground, and it's beaten long on. I think that in world cricket, Ganguly's one of the better hitters. Wow, what a good shot that is. You know, for someone who they reckon... Oh, that's straight up in the air. Surely it's out. The bowler wants it. And he's got it. And he's happy about it. That's twice. He's been hit for 6 and got a wicket the very next ball. Ganguly doesn't want to go. In the air. And has he caught it? Did it carry? Yes, it looks at as if it has. Yuvraj Singh on his way, and that might just hold this innings up a little bit. That's a big wicket for Pakistan.
That's an excellent shot. Lovely timing.
Lovely try to the offside. There he goes to the boundary as well. Well, Kev at it.
And that is the reason why. And it's a beautiful shot. He wasn't going to stop it even if he was on the boundary, but it's a beautiful shot by Mohammed.
They'll go to the boundary. Abdul Razak has bowled a pedestrian over. That's gone through. Another stumbling effort. The attempted in swinger has been put away brilliantly by Rahul Dravid. What a shot. It's gone through, and that will be four. Attempted Yorker from Mohammad Sami, being converted into a full toss. There was width there for the bat. Oh, very close. And yes, gone. Simon Toffel thought for a moment, but it was very, very close and rightly given. Crowds are on their feet once again. Mohammad Sami gets another wicket. Oh, bowler. Good Yorker from Mohammad Sami. He's got pace. And he has found the target this time. Brings joy to the crowd, even though India are in a commanding position, 344 for 7. And a dot ball, the last ball. So Pakistan doing well in the last 10 overs of the innings. India 349 for 7 after 50 overs. Tremendous innings from Rahul Dravid. Tremendous batting by most of their frontline batsmen, and in the end just one run away from 350.
Good stroke. Run away for four. That'll go for four, I think. It's a long chase for fine leg, who was reasonably square but not square enough for that stroke anyway. Pulled away, he won't get that. That's four. Beautiful timing and placement, run away for four. What an excellent stroke. Bowled in, middle stump, out of the ground, or is it the off? It's the off. Little bit of movement and a wicket well deserved from some tight bowling by Balaji.
It's gone. Carrying just enough for Rahul Dravid to take a low catch. Give me some more time, I'll rave even more about the Indian bowlers. But there you are, the second wicket gone, and it's a good one. This man was looking in good touch, run for hard. Great shot. Johanna is a wonderful player to watch. Well played. Came in a lot. The intention was perhaps all the time to look to play down the leg side. Oh, that's a half volley that he'll hit, well, 3:30 a.m. of the day. Brings up the 50 for Pakistan.
And it drops. Did it carry? Wow. There's a great... That's a good bouncer. It's going to cost him 4 runs, but it was a very well-directed bouncer. 77 for...
That's a huge, huge six. That's gone out of here. And Zaman ul Haq has stroked that one.
That's a magnificent shot.
Just lovely timing from Johanna. Again he goes over cover, way over cover. That'll take him under 50. An appreciation from this crowd. Some have left, I think, but the rest are really enjoying it, including the dressing room. Imziman gets that back with a square placement. Perfect once again. Hey, the pedal's just been pushed a little bit. Oh, he's going to get 4 for that. Phil for the bowler. He's bowled a great over. Inside edge, he's gone for 4. 141 for 2. Let's see what he's going to bowl. That's Imziman's 50. +1.
That's his 69th 50. He's got the most 50s by any player in one-day international cricket.
There he goes. Has he cleared in comfortably? Well nominated, Dean Jones.
It's gone in the air again. Easily done once more by Johanna. Once again, hasn't got the height and is taken. Long off takes the catch. Virendra Sehwag has broken through. Won't be fair to call him a part-time off-spinner anymore. He's got the big wicket. Johanna is walking back. He's found the gap. That's 4 more. That's 2 consecutive 4s. Tendulkar is having plenty of problems at the moment. Oh, he's found the gap. It's a big one. Should go all the way. It does. Romesh Pawar will only retrieve the ball. He's gone in the air. He's got enough distance. It's sailed over the advertising hoardings. That's a Yunus Khan special.
He's hit that very well. Ashish Nehra can't get there. That's very well hit. A real skimmer, that one. He's got through Ganguly. Ashish Nehra has really put in the field today. Almost caused a run out there. And that one's got past mid-on, so he is officially 100 in everybody's scorecard now, and thank heavens for that.
He's almost caught. The dressing room also realized that he was probably not yet on 100. A worried look on the face of Javed, but...
Oh, Inzamam just hits it and stands there.
4. Well read by Inzamam. Like fine leg was up in the circle. Yorker from Zaheer Khan not working.
Round the wicket. Up over the top. It might not get there, but it does. Poor start to this over. And clip that away. What a wonderful shot. It just total and utter disdain. He just stood there. Big appeal. Has he caught in behind? He has. The big fella's gone. The hero of the day. Now, is that what is going to turn this game on its head, or has he done enough for his other batsmen?
I'll tell you what it was gutsy line by Murali Khan coming back into the attack. And a great catch by the part-time Raul Dravid. Didn't he hold his nerve?
Well, there's a very different delivery. And it's raced to the boundary for 4, so maybe he should carry. That's slapped over extra. It's just a question of how far. Only far enough for 4, but that'll do. Another big... Clever shot. Will it get past him? Yes, it does. Now there's a race on. Fielder wins it.
I like the first 2 balls of this over.
Straight, look for 2, run hard. Doesn't have to, it's gone for 4. Exquisite timing. Now suddenly it's 46 from 33. Bowled in, and good bowling. Exactly what Ian Healy's been telling us. He's kept his line, gutsy bowling. Well done. Well, he's hit that a long way. Up onto the roof, is it? Yes, it is. What an enormous strike. Should get 12 for that. Bowled in, well done, he's come back well. Razak looking to give himself room, and the off stump goes back. And this becomes more and more of a nail-biter. Two here. If they run really quickly, Moen can't stumble just a little bit, so it will... Oh, here's problems. No, the throw isn't accurate, so they get... One certainly, 2 probably. 2 it is. Looking for the 3rd. Oh, they've gone for it as well. Well, that is poor fielding. When you're backing up from a throw anywhere on the ground, if you're in line with it, you've got to get... Maybe that might... Whoa, there's a good chase here. Is there a collision? Has he caught it? Somebody has. Somebody has. Mohammed Kaif has caught as good a catch as you will see in the outfield for as long as you ever watch cricket. Fantastic. He's got it between the batsman and the stumps again. What a good over this is. Another day, that's a little inside edge and it flies down for 4. Today it wasn't. Meandad saying get away, make room, play it on the offside. Focus. He's done it again though, he's got it in the block hole. It should only be 1. Moenkart slipped again. Here's a run out, if it comes the other end. It has done, but very slowly. Now they're looking for... Oh dear. Then result 1. He's hit it up in the air, he will be caught. And what a fantastic game of cricket we've just witnessed. India looked like winning for a long time. Pakistan suddenly came back into the game. And a wonderful innings from Imam ul Haq. Looked as if he'd wrested it away from the visitors. He got out, and those below him just couldn't quite manage. But wow, what a game.